90.
Hi, this is William from Trenchless Pipelining, and we're at 4240
95th. Northwest 95th Avenue.
4240 Northwest 95th Avenue, Coral Springs, Florida. Alright, looking at is the main. Right there is where the first bathroom comes in. And this line was 33 feet of lining. Right there, we see that little bit of resin right there. That's the bathtub where it comes in. Our shower. It was 33 feet of main line and 22 feet of branch line. And you'll see an opening soon for the kitchen. Will from Trenchless Pipelining at 4240. There's the kitchen opening right there. 4240 Northwest 95th Avenue and Coral Springs, Florida. I can never get me a what do you call it job? Announcing job. In this corner. Oh wait, hold up, in the wrong corner.
We're in this pipe.
Yeah. So 55 feet of lining. This whole job looks complete and great. Open. All the connections are open. We had all the water testing flowing great. Right there is the bathtub. No, that was a vent stack. Now the liner started right before that opening right there is the bathtub right there, and then we're gonna be coming up to 90 from the toilet. And again, this is William with Trenchless Pipelining. We're at 4240 Northwest. 90. All right, let's try it again. Let's hear it. 4240 Northwest 95th Ave, Coral Springs, Florida.
William from Trenchless Pipelining.